Hi, I thought I'd do a video and a little walk around my tiny little home studio where I make a lot of these videos and do bits and pieces. Show you what kind of setup I've got. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm enjoying myself and certainly giving me something to do in the lockdown, and I think we all need to find something to do in this bloody lockdown. Yeah, I've got lots of stuff to review and I seem to be getting more and more stuff coming through. So 2021, hopefully I'll be doing quite a few videos. So if you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up, would be really good. Leave a comment and enjoy being nosy looking around my room. Cheers for now. Okay, I'll start off with, there's one of my lights that's over my desk that I use, some stuff like there. Here is one of my drones, my Typhoon, and it's out because I just like to keep on top of it really, make sure that it's always ready to go. Give it a quick fly now and again. Not much happening in the drone world really at the moment. There you go. There's my main PC. Up there is my microphone gear, so that's plugged into the PC, and then we come up here. I've got a microphone which I can just swing out when I use it. Got magic arm on here. I love these for putting bits on, so I can put a camera on there straight down onto the desk like so. Just finished the coffee. Over there is a little monitor which I use if I've got a camera overhead. I can use the monitor to see what it's doing, via HDMI. There's the remotes. I've got 40-inch monitor, which is lovely, especially with my eyes. Down below the monitor, under there, I don't know if you'll see in the back, is the JVC Bluetooth soundbar that's attached to the monitor. My pen tablet, normal keyboard, mouse, got a small printer there that I use for labels and bits and pieces, and if I ever send anything out, some addresses. This table here has got one of my transmitters for planes, not for a drone, headphones, Sony remote, and the great thing about that is it works with most of the Sony cameras. They all seem to be pretty much the same, so that's handy. On the shelf there's the old NYX Sony camera, the box for my Femi Palm, my A77, which is a really nice camera for photographs. It does record, but it's not the greatest for recording, but for photos it is really nice. Up the top there, a few of the lenses that I have for the Sonys. Some are A-fit, some are E's. My remote controlled Land Rover, which I often stick the Femi Palm on and drive it through places, and you get nice steady stabilised from the gimbal footage low down. Tiny little drone that when I'm bored I fly around the house, which has been quite often lately. Coming down here, it's just lots of bits and pieces. A Rode mic, a pair of glasses, there's a couple of lenses there, one of which is the wide angled one for this ZV-1 camera that I'm using at the moment. There's my A6300 there, that's a nice lens, and it is 18 to 105, really nice lens. In that box there is the Femi Palm and some bits and pieces, microphones and bits and pieces for it. There's a turntable there for putting the camera on and or phoning. Dust. Another 1 terabyte hard disk. There's 3 action cams there, and there's at least 2 more around. My Olympus OMD, really lovely camera, but it's not that compatible with everything else I use at the moment. Now I've got a 24-inch HP monitor there, which attached to that I have a 1 in and 3 out HDMI, so I can attach the ZV-1 or any of the cameras to this, and if I can't actually view the screen, I can switch to the monitor. At the moment the laptop's plugged into it, so that'll boot up and then automatically the screen should boot up. There you go. So if I had another camera attached, I can just hit the button down here and change from camera to camera. Normally I'd have 3 cameras attached. It's only that I've been playing with the laptop. I've only had 3 days. I brought it up on the screen here. Softbox there for down here when I'm filming bits and pieces. The microphone there that I'll plug in usually to the camera that's here, so get some better audio. A couple of lights attached to this arm, but I've got a bar running across there, so I can use the magic arms to put cameras and different lights or whatever I want on now. That works pretty well. A few oddball lights for different things. Printer over there. There should be 2 tripods there. There's one, yeah, there's the other ones down there. Another light, and I've got an umbrella for that, so I can use it as a softbox. So that's pretty much it really. Lots and lots of bits around, but keeps me busy whilst this silly virus is around. Yeah, so there you go, a nose around my little studio. All my son's wedding photos are across there, so yeah, there you go. So if you enjoyed this, please subscribe, hit the like button, and you can be even nosier as I do more things. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.